next speaker will be Stuart Dodson from Cloud Leverage. Okay, you're good to go.
Somebody will win this. We're done.
You're good.
Got it. Okay. It's a pleasure to introduce you to Cloud Leverage today. My name is Stuart Dodson. Real short, Cloud Leverage solves the challenges that you face as online businesses. In short, we fix the internet for you. So we'll go that bold. Oops. Yeah. And we'll just stay. We'll keep doing this level. First, let me say congratulations. $210 billion. That's 2009's total revenue of U.S. e-commerce and online travel sales. We know globally that number is trillions, and everybody knows that number is only going to increase. But as you try to gain your market share, increase it, you want to gain a larger slice of that pie, you're going to face three critical challenges. Number one, the internet itself. It's not designed for interactive, complex media and applications. Image on the screen is the original napkin drawing from the late 60s. So the intended purpose of the internet was for data and text, universities and agencies sharing information. Today, we all want the internet to do more. And obviously, what are we wanting from the internet? We want dynamic, engaging experiences. So what does that require but dynamic content? That's content changing. Many of you know that. Some people are learning or just getting into that level. So think of VoIP, video conferencing, interactive shopping, live broadcast, these types of issues. Content that changes. Right now, dynamic content comprises about 60% or a little more than that of total web traffic. And again, that's only going to increase. So your third challenge is going to stem directly from trying to deliver those dynamic experiences. And that is basically satisfying your customers and your online users and visitors. They are more demanding now than ever because they have high-speed internet connection. So they don't blame their connection, they blame you. Industry research has shown that 47% of online users and visitors want or expect site load times to load in 2 seconds or less. More important to anybody driving revenue from online is that for every second your site takes a little longer to load, you can have 10% of your visitors leave. So you've got huge challenges to face, but seconds and milliseconds really matter. So I'll ask you, and just think in your head, do you know the site speed that your customers are experiencing globally? Imagine this. We're going to compare 1 second and 4 second. The 4 second company, if they're fighting for the same customers as the 1 second company, they're losing up to 40% of their traffic as their site loads. I don't think any business, and we'd all agree, nobody can afford to do that. So the good news is there are a lot of solutions out there. There's more providers. Technology's changing. Cloud Leverage is here to help you. We've got a suite of solutions, and our focus is to help you optimize the experience and performance that you want to deliver each and every time, no matter where a customer's located, where they're physically located. Our solutions are affordable and accessible. So the quick pitches, we've got everything from storage, DNS, load balancing, cloud IPS firewall, content delivery, but important to anybody driving business online is our flagship, and that's cloud acceleration. So for acceleration, what we do is we do fix the internet for you. We eliminate packet loss, we minimize or neutralize latency, but we optimize the entire delivery path, as these state. Now how do we do it? We haul content from its origin so you don't have to cache anything. That allows us to really accelerate any type of traffic, UDP, VoIP, anything. We deliver it via our private network so you can get off the public congested internet. Then using our technologies, we can accelerate that largest portion of transit, the middle mile. So the end result, you're going to get the ability to deliver that best performance, that best experience, no matter where your users are located. Compared to our competition, we've seen that we are often 4 times as fast for a quarter of the cost. We've taken 4 and 7, 8 second load times and gotten them down to 1. The fun part is we like to help you because every online business really can benefit from acceleration. So what would fast mean to you? It's going to mean increased revenue opportunities. You're going to have more retain customers, you'll be able to exceed your customers' demand, drive your revenues. We all know that Google is using site speed to do your own page rankings. It'll get improved SEO. But one of the best things from this is we want you to take the next step, and that's ask the smart questions. How fast is your competition? How fast do you need to be? What are your customers expecting? More importantly, how fast can you be? And that's the fun part for us. Stop by the booth. We can do a performance test on you. If you want to do your performance test on your your competition, we'd love to help you out. We've got a lot more details there, but a little more importantly is why some people are dropping things in the booth. Stop by at 5 o'clock. We'll give another one of these, but I think Phil Coneen, if he's here, yes, he is winning the first of an Arco 7 home tablet. It's 8 gigs. That's where our drawing is. So please stop by the booth, ask questions. At the same time, we'll be giving another one of these around 5 o'clock. We try to text and email you, so if you're in a meeting, just email us back. Congratulations.
Hey, thank you, Stuart. All right, next up is Evo app. And